Catherine Bernardo update. And during taping ni Catherine na Someone Someday, busy ngayon si Catherine sa taping. And dahil baka nagabang dyan kay Catherine. And good luck sa taping na Someone Someday. Marami nagabang dyan kay Catherine. And good luck. Sa post ni Mami Min, na nagpaalam na nga si Catherine na pamangkin niya si Kianan kay Kuya Kevin at Ate Shannon. Ay natid na nga sila dyan sa airport. Ay, pauwi na sila sa New Zealand. Masayang bakasyon nila dito eh. May kompletong family Bernardo. Ayan. Balik New Zealand na sila. Sabi ni Mami Min, another goodbye for my only son and his family. As a mother, I never get easier. Masakit pa rin and di pa rin ako nasanay. But my greatest wish is for them to find true happiness. They continue building their own family. I will patiently wait for another year, complete family reunion again. Praying the venue unite again, and everyone is healthy, safe, and happy. Love always goes with you wherever you are, you know. Ayan mga video. Ayan, happy family. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.